It's beautiful place. Thanks to Mukesh Bhai to organize this one. I'm really proud of Mukesh Bhai and GISA Association, and happy to have a sponsorship over here.
Hello everyone. So we are here today at a GSIA event. It's a lovely weather, perfect for such an event. And we are Divya Jyoti Jagati Sansthan. Thank you.
Hello, hi, this is Geeta here. Thanks for the opportunity to Mukesh ji and team. We are very glad to host the fundraiser stall in here. Please do come and support us. This is for Shiva Temple. We are doing it for. It's a very nice event. We have hosted last year as well. So hope you all enjoy the night. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, we're from ECCQ. We're a not-for-profit organisation here in Brisbane. We represent the culturally and linguistically diverse communities with a number of projects, including our Love Health program, which is about bloodborne viruses and sexual health, chronic disease program, which looks at helping people navigate their chronic diseases and helping to avoid them. We also have multicultural partners that do information around interpreters, around leadership, around advocacy, and we also have aged care at our Diversicare and Belasco Court.
It's Navratri! Navratri season, which is one of the most fun times in the Indian festival calendar. This is a 9-night celebration dedicated to goddess Durga. Now during Navratri, there are a lot of traditions that are observed, including fasting, and of course the fun part is Garba and Dandiya. Now there is a reason why Garba and Dandiya are actually celebrated as part of this festival. Of course, they are folk dances, as we know, but traditionally women would dance around a clay pot. The clay pot had a lamp inside and they would dance around it, and that was basically to symbolize life, fertility, and just divine energy. On the other hand, Dandiya is a dramatized version of a battle between the goddess and the demon, and basically it signifies good over evil. तो आइए चलते हैं. We're at the Greater Springfield Indian Association Dandiya Night 2025 at Robail Domain Park. If you're ready to go and see people having a blast, let's go see what they're wearing, what they're eating, and how they're dancing. Let's go! So good to see you here at a local event. Can you just tell me, Pai, in your words, a celebration like this, what does it mean to you?
For me, as being the local councillor, it just means so much to bring community together so they can celebrate. For me, this is so vibrant, the colours, the music, the food. It means so much that the culture can still be held within all the different community groups.
I have with me Paul Tully, another councillor from Ipswich City Council. Paul, how have you been enjoying this evening celebration?
This is a great night. The people, the crowds, the weather. Last year there was a bit of rain here, but the food and the dances and what people are wearing, what a great night. And it's a real multicultural event, for our city. We're a very old city. We go back to 1860 here in Queensland. It's so good to see so many happy people.
I have with me Neetu Singh. She's the president of the Haryanvi Association. Neetu ji, you don't miss a single event that celebrates Indian culture here. आपको ये डांडिया और गरबे नाइट में आज कैसे लग रहा है?
देखिए जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं सबको जय माता की कहना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि नवरात्रों का टाइम है और मुकेश जी हमेशा ही नवरात्रों में डांडिया नाइट करते हैं। हमारा ये पॉपुलर इवेंट है और सारी कम्युनिटी आप देख रहे हैं, मेरे ख्याल में ब्रिस्बेन, गोल्ड कोस्ट, हर जगह से हमारे लोग आए हैं डांडिया नाइट को सेलिब्रेट करने। मैं आपका भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी, इंडोज टीवी का और मुकेश जी का भी और सारी हमारी इंडियन कम्युनिटी का भी, कि ऐसे इवेंट और होते रहने चाहिए ताकि हमारी न्यू जनरेशन भी सीखे, हमारे रूट्स से जुड़ी रहे। और एंड में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, जय माँ भवानी, जय माता की, माँ ब्लेस ऑल
एंड जय हिंद।
जय हिंद, जय ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ऑजी 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 इंडियन।
Thank you, Neetu ji. Always a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you.
Dressing up and the jewelry. I love the silver jewelry and the dance. Yes.
Ritu, so good to see you here. आज आपका इरादा है डांडिया या गरबा खेलने का?
अरे मैं पंजाबी हूँ, मेरे को डांडिया नहीं आता, बट I'll do भांगड़ा on गुजराती सॉन्ग।
मैं वही सोच रही थी कि आप बड़े प्यारे से पंजाबी सूट में आए हो, बट आप थोड़ा ट्राई वाई तो कर सकते हो।
हाँ, ट्राई तो करूँगी, वही बोल रही हूँ कि I'll go with the full energy. We're gonna have fun.
I have with me Dhun and Hallie. They're here attending this wonderful Garba night. Dhun, what's your most favorite part about Garba?
The lights, the clothing, it's all so much fun. The Dordiu, personally my favorite.
Hallie, did you have a lot of fun getting ready for tonight's celebration?
Yeah, definitely.
You girls look gorgeous. Now tell me, are there any favorite Garba moves that you have that you might want to share with our viewers?
Definitely the Dordiu.
What does that look like? Can we have a little demo?
Sure.
Into Dandiya and Garba dancing?
I prefer Dandiya, but I just copy what she does.
Well, with a friend like that, you definitely got to copy her. Everyone needs a friend like you. Thank you so much, girls, for joining us tonight. I have to say, those scarves you're wearing are beautiful. So you were part of the VIP entourage on
yes.
stage?
As a local community leader, yes, we get invited to this event, and we are privileged to get invitation from Indian community, and happy to support any multicultural events.
Wonderful. If you can tell our viewers your name and what your role is in the local Springfield community.
So my name is Russell. I represent Greater Springfield Welfare Society. I'm the founder director of there, and I'm part of Bangladeshi Association. I'm vice president in there. So I wear two hats at the same time, and obviously that's why I get involved in multicultural programs.
That's good. I don't think you can meet people in Brisbane who only wear one single hat. So kudos to everything that you do. What about yourself, Jomar?
Oh, I'm the president of the Philippines-Australia Multicultural Association. We just held a big event 2 weeks ago called Springfest, Pama Springfest.
And what's been your experience so far of this Indian cultural celebration?
Oh, I love it because the president of GSIA is Mukesh, a very good friend, and he supports our events as well. You know, might be about us community leaders. We're here to support each other. No, really to make this community vibrant, uplifted. That's my word, uplift. When we do more of these things, people from different cultures get to know each other and become one big happy family.
You couldn't have put it better. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great evening tonight. Thank you. Absolutely. Now, you just told me that the people dancing here are all your family and friends.
Yes.
All right. So, what are they doing right now exactly?
So that's called Garba, but that is Tron Tali, which is three claps. So you have to take 3 steps if you see and clap twice.
Right. And as the night goes, this sort of gets faster and quicker. So, what is the story behind that?
So it usually depends on who the DJ is, because this one